All right, this is our next flip video for March 30th. And what we're going to be looking at in today's lesson is perimeter. Okay, so we spoke at length about centimeters and meters and kilometers this past yesterday and last week. So now we're going to extend our learning with perimeter. We're only going to deal with centimeters right now. So I have two objects here. Two figures with some dimensions around it. And perimeter simply means the distance around. So it's a pretty straightforward concept. So if I look at this square down here, I know that the square has all equal sides. In this case, it has 4 equal sides with 4 centimeters each. So all I'm simply going to do is add, excuse me, 4. I'm going to add it 4 times. So let's say 4, 8, 12, and that will give me a measurement of 16 centimeters. Now, what's really critical is that you put the measurement after the unit of measurement after the number, after your total. Okay, so I don't want to just see a 16. We want to see the centimeters after it. Okay, so we know what we're talking about. So again, perimeter, distance around, you're simply going to add the numbers around it. Okay, so that's this one here. Now, this one's a little bit more complicated, but relatively simple as well. We have more than 4 measurements. Okay, looks like we have 6 measurements here. And I'm simply going to just add all the way around. Now, some of you can just add as you go. What I'm going to teach you is that we want to see you add using some kind of system or formula. So what we want to see is 1 plus the 1. So I'm going to start up here. And I'm just going to, a good strategy is to start at the top at 12 o'clock. Think of a clock. Start at 12 and go around clockwise. So I'm going to start this one. I'm going to add this one here. Next, I'll add the 4 and the 3 and the 5 and the 4. Okay, so 1, 1, 4, 3, 5, and 4. It lines up. And then I can simply add going through here. So 1 and 1 is 2. I know that 2 and 4 is 6. I know that 6 and 3 is 9. I know that 9 and 5 is 14. And 14 and 4 is 18. And again, I'll put centimeters for my measurement. Okay. So relatively straightforward. Let's get double check again. This time I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to go 4 and 5 is 9. 9 and 3 is 12. 12 and 4 is 16. 16 and 1 is 17. 17 and 1 is 18. And I still get 18, so that's correct there. All right, so again, perimeter, distance around, and tomorrow's work will all be dealing with this. Okay, you get some figures. You're going to add them up and find the distance around. Okay, in some cases, you might have a shape and you have to use your ruler and measure, but the same idea is you're still adding. Okay, so take time, review this, and have a great night.